Muy buenos días a todos. We're going to look at this response to a 90-word bullet point, and we're going to look at why this is such a good response. So the bullet point is tu opinión sobre los trabajos a tiempo parcial. Now, so your opinion about part-time jobs. And this student has written, si tuviera que dar mi opinión sobre los trabajos a tiempo parcial, diría que son importantes porque te permiten desarrollar tus habilidades en el mundo de trabajo. Hay quienes dicen que no necesitas tener un trabajo cuando eres joven, pero no creo que tengan razón. Actualmente trabajo en una tienda de ropa los sábados y gano experiencia para cuando sea mayor. So this is chock full of high-level language that will give you everything you need to access the top bands for the mark scheme at GCSE. So if I had to give my opinion about part-time jobs, I would say that they're important because they let you develop your skills in the world of work. This is such a high-level phrase and it's expertly done. Te permiten desarrollar. They let you develop your skills, tus habilidades, en el mundo de trabajo. There are those that say that. This is a lovely phrase. Hay quienes dicen que. There are those that say that you don't need to have a job when you're young. Now, again, expertly done here. This student has recognized that when you use no creo que, the verb afterwards has to be in the subjunctive, which is why we don't say no creo que tienen razón. We say no creo que tengan razón. Actualmente, nice use of the time phrase there. Trabajo en una tienda de ropa los sábados y gano experiencia para cuando sea mayor. Now, in this instance here, we have got examples, even though it's primarily in the present tense, this text here, we have got examples of other texts in there as well, because if I had to give my opinion, that's a hypothetical past, there's an imperfect subjunctive there, so that does class as the past tense, if I had to give my opinion, and I would say that, even though we don't think of it as being future tense, that does class as the future tense. So we have got evidence of all three tenses in this chunk here. Now, what I would say is this is probably on the long side for a response to a 90-word bullet point. But if you wrote one this length, what that would mean was you would just write a little bit less for one of the other bullet points. So the point here is I want you to look at this and think, how can you use this vocabulary for your own writing in this context and in different contexts as well? So, for example, this style of bullet point, tu opinión sobre, is really common at GCSE, your opinion about. So you can use this phrase, si tuviera que dar mi opinión sobre, then whatever it is, for any one of those, which is the beauty of learning a high-level phrase and learning how to adapt it to different contexts, I should say. Excellent. That's that one there.